Today, I'll show you how to enable or disable NSFW content on Reddit using your Android device. NSFW, which stands for Not Safe for Work, includes content like nudity or graphic images that you might want to filter. Let's dive in. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. First, open the Reddit app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Content Options section. Here, you'll see two options related to NSFW content. Show NSFW content. Toggle this option to enable or disable NSFW content. Turning this on allows you to view NSFW posts in your Reddit feed. Blur NSFW images. Toggle this option to enable or disable image blurring for NSFW content. Disable this if you prefer to view NSFW images without blur. That's all you need to do. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, and you'll have control over what type of content you see on Reddit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.